You know those moments when you go down memory lane and say, I cannot believe that I did that. This adventure was one of those moments. I went on my first ever motorcycle road trip to the infamous Tail of the Dragon. After traveling for more than 1,500 miles across 6 days full of fascinating sights, winding roads, and a couple of minor setbacks, I learned that the open road is not for the faint of heart, especially for those that do it on 2 wheels. For someone that only has around 5,000 miles in the saddle, a trip like this can be intimidating, but the itch to take on the beast grew with every mile we traveled. I hope this story inspires you to take that first step to achieving your dreams, while we descend into the dragon's lair. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to not miss out on our next video coming out very soon.